Всем привет, SWAG ABIS.
So we will next in the next group. There it was VVUP. Which debuted in 2024. One of the members is also Indonesian. Her name is Kimberley.
Kimberley.
She was she actually was known as singer in Indonesian, but suddenly she lost about 1 year, and then like surprisingly debuted as K-pop idol, and the fans like, oh my god, oh you make K-pop idol.
Yes, and from this VVUP, from which entertainment?
This was formed by Ego Entertainment. It's a new company, I guess. Yeah, and one of them, but when they debuted, they released 2 songs, and after 2 songs, one of the member left because the health reasons, and was replaced by a new member. And this the VVUP. I will show you a picture. This.
Oh, 4 members, yes.
Can you guess where is the
Yes,
Indonesian?
as our age.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you guess?
Like max
Kimberley,
from
where's
20.
Kimberley?
Max from
Kimberley.
20.
20?
18,
Kimberley.
19, 20.
Where is Kimberley? She?
No.
This cute.
Yeah.
I know from eyes.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, but she's the most beautiful.
Yeah, so she was Kimberley Franda Sali, her long name. Kimberley from Indonesia, and she was born in 2006.
Yes.
Like that, yeah.
Yes, that's
see.
yes.
Can you guess the position of her?
Vocal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She is a singer before in Indonesia, and she is main vocal here. And this girl is Pan. Her name is Pan. She's from Thailand. She was born also in 2006.
Oh yeah.
And then she is Uni. She's from Korean. She's was born in 2005, but she was left because of reason. And then her position actually leader, but she was left. And her name is Suyeon. She's also from Korea, and she's Makni.
Makne. Oh, how old is she?
7
How old
or
is
She's 2008.
8.
8. Oh.
2008 or 2007? Wait.
A few moments later.
2007.
2007. Oh.
Suyeon is 2007. Sorry guys. But right now she's not Makni because one of the member was left and replaced by new member. Her name is Jiyoon.
Oh, now
No, she's
5
not.
members, yes?
No, right now 4 members. Because she left from the group because of reason. And she was replaced and she is Makni right now because she is 2008.
8. Oh. And what's her name?
Jiyoon.
Diyun. She's from Korea?
Yes, she's from Korea. So there is 2 Korean, 1 Thailand, and 1 Indonesian. Okay, and we will watch reaction the music video VVUP, the first after debut, Lock On. The name is Lock On. But Jiyoon, because Jiyoon is new member, there is no in the Lock On.
Oh, okay.
It's still
It's
Jiyoon.
debut song, yes?
Yeah, debut song.
Okay.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it. Wow. School.
Transition.
Yes.
Yes.
This girl.
Yes. I love her bangs.
Cute girl.
Yes.
Oh. Melody. Coming.
I love this school style songs. Yes, yes.
Oh, girls.
Yes.
And they got friends.
Wow, the same. Yes.
Transition.
Transition. Yes.
I like this.
young.
Yeah, they're so young. They're
Yes.
young.
Younger than us.
Yeah.
They look younger than us, but he's the same age. Oh, I love this. I want to learn this dance. Yes.
Actually, their dance is very powerful.
Mm.
You can see it.
Yeah. Other girls are jealous. Yes.
Big goal.
Yeah.
It's
Oh.
Wow.
On the table?
Yeah, they're on the table.
It's king.
Vocal.
Yeah, very
Wow.
vocal.
Wow.
Her high notes.
Yes.
All of this follow.
They're all like suck water. They stop. You know who we are? And we start.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, they're like
Wow.
idol.
Yes.
Oh, so this is the VVUP.
Wow.
There was positive feedback when Kimberley debuted as K-pop idol because the group is very talented and they all of the performance was live vocal.
Yes.
They dance and live vocal and
Okay.
it's pretty clear.
Yes, it's really hard to sing and to dance at the same time. Yes.
Their dance is very powerful, but they
Yes.
can like sing clearly. So
Yes.
what do you think about the VVUP vocal?
They're so
It's
young.
debut song, and for debut song, it's really cool. I think. And
They're so young and talented.
Yes.
You can see from here.
Yeah.
Her vocal like I can do this.
Yes.
Sorry.
they dance and sing on the same time. I even can't dance.
When I heard her voice, I was like screaming at the top of my lungs like like this. How can she
Yeah.
sing this high notes?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
But actually
So
for
cool.
Kimberley, I'm not shocked because in the previous time she was a singer in Indonesia and the song is very good and she was in Indonesian competition, sing competition, and she have a lot of fans from there. But suddenly she lost in Korea and she was debuted and it was rock and like well I can guess maybe I think she will be main vocal and yeah that's true.
Yeah,
She's main
that's
vocal.
true.
Something new step for her, like moving another country and become like idol is
Yeah.
really good opportunity. And
Yeah.
very
So she is
confident, yes.
so she is second female idol K-pop from
Wow.
Indonesia. After her, we will move to male idol K-pop from Indonesia. We have males.
Right, I know some of them.
So how many Indonesian
The K-pop idol.
yeah, the K-pop idol?
Oh, can you guess? Can you guess?
More than 5, like not 10 like this.
Yeah, not 10.
More than
6 right now.
Yes.
6.
Right now 6.
Yeah.
And yeah, right now 6 with camera. Oke, so jadi gitu guys tentang VVUP. Teman-teman yang pada request VVUP udah ya ini, udah kita kasih tahu mereka.
They enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mereka sangat enjoy. Terima kasih udah nonton videonya. Lanjut ke idol K-pop selanjutnya dari Indonesia. Dadah.
Bye-bye.
Jangan lupa komen, like, dan subscribe.